Hello, you are welcome. How to solve this problem? We are given the function of x, that is the polynomial. Here we have degree 2, that's x squared plus 3x minus 1, which is also a quadratic equation from here. Then we are given that x1 and x2 are the roots here. Then we are finding another polynomial p prime of x, which is also of degree 2, and which roots are 1 over x1 and 1 over x2. So very quickly from here, let's first find the root of this quadratic equation. So from that quadratic equation, we have x squared plus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. From here, we can use the quadratic formula to solve this, and x from here will now be equals to, we have minus b, that's minus 3, plus or minus square root of b squared, that's 3 squared, minus 4a, that's 1, and then c minus 1 over 2a, 2 times 1. And by the time we solve this from here, so x will then be equals to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 3 square, we have 9, then minus times minus, that's plus 4 over 2. 9 plus 4, that's 13. So this gives us x equals to minus 3 plus or minus root 13 over 2. So we have the two roots here now. We have x1 to be equals to minus 3 plus root 13 over 2. And we have the second root, that is x2 here, equals to minus 3 minus root 13 over 2. Then we are interested in finding another polynomial, which is a quadratic equation in which the root will be 1 over x1 and also 1 over x2. So these two roots now is the reciprocal of the first root. So that means the root of the equation we are finding will then be the first root is reciprocal of the first root here. That will be 2 over minus 3 plus root 13. So that's 1 over x1, and also we have 1 over x2. The reciprocal of x2 here, that's 2 over minus 3 minus root 13. Now, these are the roots of the equation we are finding. So therefore, we can use the general way of forming a quadratic equation. There is a formula for that. We have that will give us x squared minus sum of roots. And sum of roots here, we have, these are the roots. We have 1 over x1 plus 1 over x2, that's sum of roots, then times x, then plus product of roots, we have 1 over x1 times 1 over x2, then equals to 0. So this is the general way of forming a quadratic equation, and we know our 1 over x1 to be this, and 1 over x2 to be this. So we can substitute now, and this will be x squared minus, here we have 2 over minus 3 plus root 13, then plus, here we have 2 over minus 3 minus root 13, then times x, that's the variable, then plus the product of the root. We multiply the root, then we have 2 over minus 3 plus root 13, then multiply by 2 over minus 3 minus root 13, then equals to 0. Then from here, we can simplify what we have here, and then this will give us x squared minus, here we have the LCM as minus 3 plus root 13 multiplied by minus 3 minus root 13. Then when minus 3 plus root 13 goes here, remain minus 3 minus root 13, then times 2. That will give us 2 into bracket minus 3 minus root 13. Then when minus 3 minus root 13 goes here, remain minus 3 plus root 13, that will be plus 2 times minus 3 plus root 13. And then we have multiplied by x, which is a variable. Then plus, here, we multiply this 2 times 2, that's 4. Then over here, we have conjugate sort. These are simply conjugate sort. And the conjugate sort, when they multiply, we don't have to stress ourselves too much. We apply the difference of two squares, and that will be minus 3 square. Minus 3 square is 9. Then minus root 13 square. Square, we cancel square root. Root 13 square, that's just 13. So we have 9 minus 13 there, which is equals to 0. Then from here, this will reduce to x square. Here as well, we have minus into bracket. 2 can open this bracket up here. We have 2 times minus 3, that's minus 6. Then minus 2 root 13. Also, to open this bracket, we have also minus 6. Then plus 2 root 13. Then divided by, also we have conjugate sort there. That's minus 3 square, that's 9. Then minus root 13 square, that's 13. Then times x. Then plus 4 over minus 4. That's can be written as minus 4 over 4. Because here we are going to have minus 4 and then we have plus there. So same thing as minus 4 over 4 equals to 0. And from here, when we simplify further here, we have x squared now minus here minus 2 root 13 cancel plus 2 root 13. And we have minus 6 minus 6. That gives us minus 12. So we have into bracket minus 12 over here. Then minus 13. That gives us minus 4 as well. Then times x. Then here we have minus 1. 4 over 4. That's 1. Then equals to 0. And from here now we have minus 12 over minus 4. That will give us 3. That's plus 3. And we can then say that here we are going to have x squared minus 3x minus 1 equals to 0. And therefore the polynomial that we are looking for, which is p prime of x, will now be equals to x squared minus 3x minus 1. So here we have the solution to the problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share these videos and also give a thumbs up. See you in the next class and bye for now.